Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the wood carving texture with the PixaFlux add-on for Blender. This texture is a continuous, fully procedural surface texture, completely seamless across your mesh. The project is inspired by hand-carved wooden statues like this one. If you are new to the PixaFlux add-on for Blender, I recommend watching the introductory video first. For this demo, I'm using a GNOME 3D model downloaded from free3d.com, and I've already applied a procedural wood material to it. Here is the base procedural wood material we'll be enhancing. Start the PixaFlux process. Then load the wood carving project. Set the texture size to 2048 by 2048 and set the group range between 10 and 15. Click Build Material. The PixaFlux add-on will generate a new material containing 3 textures. The borders of the carving cuts, the groups that define each carved region, and the normal map. I'll copy these texture nodes into the procedural wood material. Paste them here. And connect the normal map. Next, add a mixed color node to use the groups texture to darken the carved areas. And another mixed color node to lighten the borders. Set the groups mixed color mode to multiply. And the borders mixed color mode to lighten. Right now the normal map is very deep and the cuts are too small. So let's adjust the attributes. Set the group range between 15 and 20. Adjust the border attributes. Set the normal map depth to 0.05 and set soften to 1. Build the material again. The PixaFlux add-on regenerates and reloads the textures. Apply the procedural wood material. Now set the group's multiply factor and the borders lighten factor. And now we have a continuous, seamless wood carving texture applied to the gnome. If you have questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment or join our Discord community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Twitter, Blue Sky and Instagram for more updates and tutorials.